Let's take a tour of these luxury condos in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is Mira Villa in Summerlin, a project by Toll Brothers. This model is 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 half bath, just over 2,000 square feet. It's in a gated community right across from Tivoli Village and includes amenities like a large clubhouse for events, a fitness center, 7 pools and jacuzzis, and areas to barbecue. This master bathroom is beautiful. It has marble flooring and a huge walk-in shower. Right off the elevator access, there's a large laundry room and also a half bathroom and a coat closet. And an amazing kitchen. This one has lots of upgrades. All the appliances are Gen Air. And then we get to the best part, which is the view here. This is an amazing view of Angel Park Golf Course and Suncoast, and you can also see the strip from it.